Meaning of fog.
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 Fog. Fog is a meteorological phenomenon where tiny water droplets suspend in the air, reducing visibility to less than 1 kilometer. It is formed when warm and moist air cools suddenly, causing the water vapor to condense into visible moisture. The result is a thick layer of mist that can make it difficult to see and navigate through. Fog is common in areas with high humidity, such as coastal regions or during the fall season when temperatures drop overnight. It can cause travel disruptions, delay flights, and make driving dangerous.